Dear students, welcome to Study and Learn Academy. I am Dr. Ganapat Nagda, and today we will start a new topic, Swachh Bharat Mission. Introduction. Swachh Bharat Mission is a massive mass movement that seeks to create a clean India by 2019. The father of our nation, Mr. Mahatma Gandhi, always puts the emphasis on Swachhta as Swachhta leads to healthy and prosperous life. Keeping this in mind, the Indian government has decided to launch the Swachh Bharat mission on October 2, 2014. This mission will cover all rural and urban areas. The urban component of the mission will be implemented by the Ministry of Urban Development and the rural component by the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation. Swachh Bharat mission for urban areas. The program includes elimination of open defecation, conversion of unsanitary toilets to poor flush toilets, eradication of manual scavenging, municipal solid waste management, and bringing about a behavioral change in people regarding healthy sanitation practices. The mission aims to cover 1.04 crore households, provides 2.5 lakh community toilets, 2.6 lakh public toilets, and a solid waste management facility in each town. Under the program, community toilets will be built in residential area where it is difficult to construct individual household toilets. Public toilets will also be constructed in designated locations such as tourist places, markets, bus stations, railway stations, etc. The program will be implemented over a 5-year period in 4401 towns. The total assistance available for construction of an individual toilet is raised 4,000 from the central government and an amount of 1,333 at least from the state government. However, in the case of northeast states, the states are required to contribute only raise 400 per individual toilet. However, there is no bar for release any extra funds at any stage by the ULB/states government through additional resources. The expected assistance for construction of community toilets, central government will contribute up to 40% of the cost of construction of community toilet as a VGF/outright grant. As per SBM guidelines, the states/union territories shall provide an additional 13.33% for the said component. The northeast and special category states shall be required to contribute 4% only. The balance shall have to be arranged through innovative mechanisms by the urban local body. The approximate cost per seat for a community toilet is raised 65,000. Raised 62 crore is likely to extend to program. On this, center will pitch in 14,623 crore. Of the center's share of raise 14,600 crores, raise 7,366 crore will be spent on solid waste management. Raise 4,165 crore on individual household toilets. Raise 1,828 crore on public awareness and raise 655 crore on community toilets. Swachh Bharat Mission for Urban Areas 20.0. This will be a continuation of the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban with the following components for funding and implementation across all statutory towns: sustainable sanitation, construction of toilets, wastewater treatment, including fecal sludge management in all ULBs with less than 1 lakh population, solid waste management, information, education and communication and capacity building. At the end of the mission, the following outcomes are expected to be achieved. All statutory towns will become ODA plus certified. All statutory towns with less than 1 lakh population will become ODA plus certified. 50% of all statutory towns with less than 1 population will become water plus certified. All state towns will be at least 3-star garbage free rated as per MOHUAS stars rating. protocol for garbage-free cities, bioremediation of all legacy dump sites. Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Phase 1. The Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan has been reconstructed into the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin. The SBMG was launched on 2nd October 2014 to ensure cleanliness in India and make it open defecation free in 5 years. It seeks to improve the level of cleanliness in rural areas through solid and liquid waste management activities and making Gram Panchayats open defecation free, clean and sanitized. Incentive is provided under the mission for the construction of individual household latrines was for all below poverty line household and above poverty line households, restricted to SC/STs, small and marginal farmers, landless laborers with homestead, physically handicapped and women-headed households. The incentive amount provided under SBMG to below poverty line identified APL households was up to 12,000 rupees for construction of 1 unit of IHHL and provide for water availability, including for storing, for hand washing and cleaning of the toilet. Central share of this incentive for IHHLS was raised 9,000, that is 75%, from Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin. The state share was raised 3,000, 25%, for northeastern state and special categories. The central share was raised 10,800 and the state share raised 1,200. 90% is to 10%. The beneficiary was encouraged to additionally contribute in the construction of his or her IHHL to promote ownership. Said to be the world's largest behavior change program, it achieved the seemingly impossible task by generating a people's movement at the grassroots. All stakeholders worked together from 2014 to 2019 and in bound manner ensured that as on 2nd October 2019, all districts across India declared themselves as ODF. Phase 2. Having achieved the milestone of an ODF India in time-bound manner in the last 5 years from 2014 to 2019, the work on sanitation and the behavior change campaign has to continue to sustain the gains made under the program and also to ensure no one is left behind and the overall cleanliness in villages as well. In February 2020, the phase 2 of the SBMG with a total outlay of Rs 1,40,881 crore was approved with a focus on the sustainability of ODF status and solid and liquid waste management. SBMG's phase 2 is planned to be a novel model of convergence between different verticals of financings and various schemes of central and state governments. The program will be implemented in missions mode from 2021 to 2024-25. Swachh Vidyalaya Abhiyan, the Ministry of Human Resource Development has launched Swachh Vidyalaya program under Swachh Bharat Mission with an objective to provide separate toilets for boys and girls in all government schools within 1 year. Program aimed at ensuring that every school in the country must have a set of essential interventions that relate to both technical and human development aspects of a good water, sanitation and hygiene program. The ministry financially supports states/union territories inter alia to provide toilets for girls and boys in schools under Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan and Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan. Rashtriya Swachhata Kosh. The Swachh Bharat Kosh SBK has been set up to facilitate and channelize individual philanthropic contribution and corporate social responsibility funds to achieve the objective of Clean India by the year 2019. The Kosh will be used to achieve the objective of improving cleanliness levels in rural and urban areas, including in schools. The allocation from the cost will be used and complement departmental resource for such activities. To incentivize contribution from individuals and corporate, modalities are being considered to provide tax rebates where it is possible. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.